Well, the winter weather's finally set in here across the whole United States. Typically, we here at Gagne Farms spend a little bit of this downtime researching what we did last year, what worked well for us in our homestead, what we could improve, and some things that we want to change for next year. Maybe growing different veggies, raising different animals. This is also the time of year that we're using all of the veggies that we grew in the garden, the animals that we raised here on the farm. This is what it's all about. We're trying to be as self-sustainable as possible. And this is a great time of year to try different recipes using our homegrown ingredients. With nice cold days like this, we like to make a hearty soup. Today we're making a potato soup. This is something that's a little bit new for us, a different recipe. I think it's going to be really good. Also with the cold blast, there's always something going on with the chickens. We do have a chicken water heater out there, but when it's this cold, there's just not much we can do to keep the waters from freezing up. So typically, every couple days, we'll bring the water inside, set it next to the wood stove, thaw it out real good, and then refill it. The heater that we have works really good until it gets super cold out. But when you're in the single digits, that little heater's not going to keep that 5-gallon water completely thawed out all day long. When I refill, I typically give them hot water, gives them something to warm up a little bit. A lot of times we will warm up some food for them and take it out, and they really enjoy that. Something that we really enjoyed last year was freezing some of our veggies, like our carrots and our celery. That comes in super handy on days like today when I'm making a pot of soup and I just want to go in, grab some fresh veggies and throw them right in the pot. Some of our veggies this year we were able to keep for quite a long time in our basement storage. This is an onion from our garden that we harvested this summer, and it is still perfectly good, and they are so tasty. This is why we enjoy being self-sustainable and homesteading here. We get to make our own recipes. We're not out buying food from fast food places or eating out at restaurants all the time. We really enjoy having all of our food as organic as possible. And we believe it tastes so much better that way. So as you guys are sitting back and planning for your gardens next year and your homestead, just remember not to get too overwhelmed. We all like to do everything possible. Sometimes you have to back off just a little bit and pump the brakes, enjoy what you have, and be thankful for what you have grown the year previous. This is such a wonderful time of the year that we get to sit back, relax, and enjoy some of the fruits of our labor that we have worked so hard all year long for. This right here is one of the true joys in homesteading and being self-sufficient and enjoying living off the land. When you can sit back with a nice hot bowl of soup, stare at the snowflakes coming down outside, and really enjoying living life.